our BuddyX Pro video series. In this series, what we have seen so far, how to you can set up a new website with the help of BuddyX theme, and how you can import this complete website and all the customizer option the theme is offering for our branding, for community pages, layouts. So today we are going to talk about how you can add the widgets in your, like there are five or six types of pages on the website you have. So first one, you can say the default widget area of the website, which is the left sidebar and right sidebar, which you will have on any page of the website when you create a new page on the website. Set up the widgets on these pages, and to set up the widgets on each specific pages, like single group or group directory, member directory. This is a group directory, we list all the groups, and this is a member directory page which shows all the members, and this is the activity directory page where you see a site-wide activity stream, everything there. So these directory pages and a single group page. On the single group page you have this widget area on the left and the right side, and there is a widget area only for the right side when you switch the tab there. This is for single group only, and for a member profile, single member profile, you have the left sidebar and right sidebar. And here also the personal, in case of activity feed, you see this left sidebar and left right sidebar. And with the BuddyX Pro theme, you have option to change each and every widget there for each particular pages. So let's see how you can do that. For that, you have to go to the appearance and then in the widgets area. With the BuddyX Pro theme, we have polished all the default BuddyPress widgets what they provide. Previously, the widgets were like a separate element. Now, with the Gutenberg block, all the BuddyPress widgets are in form of a block. And with the help of our plugin WbCom Essentials, which is the plugin which I told you we have provided to provide more layout options along with the widgets and other templates for creating the site-wide pages. So WbCom Essentials will also provide some of the widgets for us to utilize on various pages. So let's quickly look at this. Is the right sidebar area. You can see there are three widgets here, which you will find this side, and this is the left sidebar which you find here. And next up widget area is the community left sidebar. This widget area will apply on the directory pages of activity members and group left side. Whatever you will set here will be visible on the left sidebar of these three pages. And for right sidebar, you can set up the widgets for these pages individually, whatever you want to put up there. And this widget is for the single profile sidebar and single user activity sidebar for the member page. Here you will see, like for a single member page, let's go to the profile, and here you will see this sidebar option. So this left sidebar option is powered by this member single profile sidebar. This left sidebar from the single user activity sidebar, and like this is the members widget here. And for the left sidebar, you have single profile sidebar which has the who's online and members. Who's online and members you can see here. There is option for latest update widget also. This is the widget which is actually not loading right now. So you can add any other widget, like the login form you can add, and with this block option now you can also drag and drop all these widgets there. So you can see like we have just added one more widget there, and that's the login page, which like when you switch to the incognito mode, when someone is not logging, you can see this will be the login button for someone to log in on the website. And the best part of these widgets are you can customize them easily. And let's see how much more widgets we have. Like this is the group sidebar widget. You can see for the single group sidebar widget, and this is the single group activity sidebar widget. The activity, when the activity tab is on, then this left sidebar will be visible. Otherwise that will not be visible. That will expand the other information of the single group page. And with the BuddyX Pro theme, we offer 4 widget footer area. This is the footer 1, 2, 3, 4, and for each footer area, you can select whatever you want to add. So how much content you will put up in the footer area, that will divide your footer in the parts. Like the footer 1 have no content, then the 2, 3, and 4 have the content. Then you will find that the current footer area have these 3 widgets only. And when you will add, like in the footer 1, let's add one more thing there. You will see like the footer will be a 4 area there. So that's how you manage your footer. And for each section you can always add a widget in which section you want to add something. And I already told you for this copyright area and for the color scheme of this footer area, you can customize from here. Like all the widgets you can add in the footer, you get from the appearance widgets area. And for customizing this footer section, you need to come here for color scheme and everything. And for the copyright section area, you can edit the content from here. So these were all the widget area we have shown you. So now let's see how you can add a widget in any area. Let's open a page. So this is the activity directory page. Let's start applying some of the widgets which you can add. So right now we are on the activity directory page. For the left section, you have this community left sidebar for this page. And for the right side, you have this activity directory page. So let's remove these. Simply delete, and you can remove any widget. Now we can add widget. From here you can see all the options we have created. So with the WbCom Essential plugin, you find these are the templates you can utilize on any page, timer, carousel, everything. Any block you can apply on the widget area. That's up to you. Right now I'm going to show you how these community widgets, specific widgets, if you want to apply on the community pages, then you can apply. So this is the introduction, dashboard introduction, and the best part of this is you can customize the layout and color of everything of this area. You can say the avatar setting, you have the complete control of that, container style, the padding and everything, and the typography and color scheme, everything you can change here. So that's like fully customizable option for you to for the widget area. And there are much more widget area widget component we have created. Like this is the profile completion. You can see this is the very stylish profile completion, and there is option for this one, hide on 100% completion, progress item, include the cover photo, whatever component you consider as completion for the profile, and which X profile field data it will pick up to match, and check the score. Everything can be updated from here. So completion icon, show completion status for level and everything. You can see like each and every component can be customized there. So that's very easy for you to apply any widget. The group list is there, and even the header bar is there. Like this component, you do not need to apply on the widget area, but as a block, it gives you freedom to add any component or block in your widget area. This is the member carousel. You can see for that what we will recommend, like we are using this carousel in the widget area, so make sure to use only the one option, the carousel option. Select for the desktop, select it as one. That will look very cool for any widget area actually. And for the mobile responsiveness also, you will see like that will look very cool widget there. And simply for member grid also, you can select the one column here, and you will see that these will look very great on the pages. So these are the widgets, how you can utilize them, and these are the widget area where you can place them. So based on your need, you can set up any widget on the website along with the any sidebar or in the footer option. So that's actually covers the introduction to the widgets we provide with the theme. You can see like this is the section there. Okay, so this was the element there, which you will have the scroller there, and this widget area. Mhm. Let's see this one after. So all these widgets are there. Okay, that was a prior widget which we did not customize actually. That's what we were seeing there. Very cool, and that will also be visible on the mobile also. So on the mobile layout, you can see these widgets are absolutely fine, and they have option to scroll the widget also. So that cover all the widget area and options we have. And for the footer placement, in the next video, what we are going to cover is all the possible integrations and the plugins you can use along with the community with the BuddyX Pro theme. And we are going to see how one more demo import option, like from after importing the demo data, we will check all the options the BuddyX Pro theme have for that particular integrations. So let me give you a quick overview. Like we have all these integrations or the plugin support. So with the BuddyX Pro, we have seen how BuddyX Pro interact with the BuddyPress plugin, and the Buddy was next we are going to test with the BuddyPress for BuddyWorks platform, then the LMS plugin and the marketplace plugins there. We all have already seen the reaction and the share option, which is already included with the BuddyX Pro theme. It have option to share the post within a group also. If you have any questions, leave your comments